Hello, good morning, all of you. Our today's topic is our grandparents. They care, they love, they teach, and they stay with us always. Grandparents are the most precious gifts in our lives. They are the pillars of our family and the source of love, wisdom, and care. They have a lot of experience in life and always guide us on the right path. They tell us beautiful stories, teach us good values, and shower us with endless love. Grandparents are very kind, patient, and understanding. They always pray for our happiness and well being. Spending time with them is always joyful and peaceful. We should respect, love, and take care of our grandparents because they are the one who make our family complete. Thank you, grandparents, for everything. Your love is a treasure that we cherish forever. Grandparents fill the world with love and blessings.